So in this video I'm going to show you a quick preview of post module. Currently I'm in new post section or add post section, and here I can type post title. Let's type preview is here, and here as you can see I will get preview of final slide based on post title, and I've got this code editor and text editor, which here as you can see I will get final result of whatever I change here. Results are in code editor in HTML. Great. And if I select and change this one to bold, here as you can see I will get this strong tag. Then I've got this monitoring or optimization tips, which they are simply very important for your application, since you might get content creator on your website to simply type and write your contents, and with these tools they can actually check how many items are needed or contents needed based on image, paragraph, headings, links, and many other things which you will learn to add them to your application. So here I've got this image Seo Optimization. I can simply add image here, and here as you can see this will be changed, and this time it's going to tell me there is a image with null as an alt attribute. I'm going to delete this one. Then I've got paragraph Seo Optimization. Let's copy, paste, and here as you can see it's going to change. You've got 45 words and there is no post title in your paragraph, so let's add them. And here as you can see it's changing. Then heading, let's select all, let's select on this one, and as you can see this is also updated. I've got link Seo Optimization. Let's select and let's select on link, copy and paste, save, select and apply another. As you can see it's updating. Please add some foreign links, so let's add some foreign links. Need to change this to something else. collegeref.com, save, and here as you can see, great, you have almost one foreign link in your post. And there's also something else here. If you saw Yoast from WordPress, there is a light for your contents, which is simply based on all the results from monitoring tips. And here as you can see we've got this one, and if I remove everything here, as you can see it's going to change based on my contents. If I remove and change something here, it's going to change. So it's going to give us a simply light based on my contents to help me if my contents are good for SEO or not. Then there's a post short description, which there's nothing really matter about this, and there's a YouTube section which you can simply add your YouTube link here and it's going to show your video here. There is an example here. This post got video link, and here as you can see I've got my YouTube video here. There is a YouTube video tab here. And there's a post discussion which we can simply add comment to this post, create a video. Let's add an email email@email.com. Website is optional. Copy and paste, submit, comment submitted. Now if I try to type something here like google.com, I should get an error since this is not a standard URL. Submit, copy and let's paste, submit your comment. This time it's working since it's got the good URL shape. The next thing is gallery. I can simply add image to my gallery. I can crop my image. I can resize my image. Continue, and I can add some information for image to simply optimize them for SEO. So let's type view image. I can publish this one. Continue, or I can use this button to simply publish another. Continue, publish, and as you can see I've got these 3 items. Then there is this source section, which is going to simply apply your change to your simply Nuxt application. Here as you can see I've got this custom title, and also I've got description for my post, which they are simply generated and applied based on details which I can add them here. So as you can see in Yoast, there is an option on feature like this which you can simply modify your data which they're going to show in Google or Yahoo or Bing or any other search engine. So that I'm going to add one of them here. As you can see, it's going to create based on the detail and these buttons. I can clear them. I can add custom detail here, and here as you can see this is going to change my content. Then there is a focus key phrase, which my focus key phrase is currently preview, and also I can add some description, which this description should be applied in this section. Then there is a preview section, which it's going to simply show me a preview of my contents. As you can see, it's working. Then there's a featured image, which I can simply show featured image in my post based on these options. I've got this upload image, which you have already seen this upload image feature. There's another item which it is a recent image, which I can simply add featured image to this post based on recent image which I've used here. Then there's a discussion. I can allow discussion or just disallow. There's a tag section, preview tag. Then there's a categories section. I can apply categories for this post. I can create a new category. This arrow should be related to my session, since I guess I'm logged out. Yes, if I try to log in, and go back to post, new post section, and try to create a new category. As you can see, my form is here, which this is basically the create category form from category section. Let's try to create a new one. Preview from create post section, create category, and as you can see, item is created and it's also here. Let's try to add these items, since we are logged out and there are nothing here. Tag for preview. Let's also select another image for featured image. Then there is this post apps items. I can allow YouTube, gallery, or discussion tab. Here, as you can see, there are these tabs. I can't allow to show them or not. For now, I'm going to only show gallery and discussion tab, since I've got only gallery. There's a post format, which there is an example for post formats here. I've got this standard, YouTube, and gallery, which you already seen the gallery. There's nothing else here. Let me check and explain other section until this page loaded. Then there is this accessibility. I can private and apply password for this page. Let's type 123 123 and 123. I can modify publish date. Let's add image to our gallery. Continue. Next. Publish and add another. Continue. View and publish. Let's create our contents here. Preview is here. Separate or so titles. Seo focus keyphrase is preview. And that's it. Let's publish. New item published, and if I open my home page, as you can see, preview is here. This page didn't load it, so there must be a problem with my browser. Let me check them here. So there is Vue JS panel, which this one, as you can see, is a gallery. Post format, I've got my galleries. I can click on them and I can see the result here. And then for a standard, I got also post gallery for this one. Let's open my home and let's check our new post, which is preview is here. As you can see, this post is protected since we applied password for this post. Enter, and as you can see, post is unlocked. I've got my contents, I've got my gallery, and I've got this post discussion tab. So there's also this edit button, which I can simply edit my post. Everything is similar to create post. There's nothing here. I've got categories, tags. I didn't actually check my categories and tags here. As you can see, I've got list of categories and tags. They're working. And also other features like deleting multiple items and base table features basically are also working here. Let me check if there's something else. Let me show you a quick preview of comments also, since we've applied these new comments. I can change the status for these comments. I can send reply to these comments. Thanks for comment. Submit. New project. Let me check this post. Reload. My browser is actually acting very weird. Let me open this one. Post discussion. Let's close and comments, and here as you can see, I've got all these comments and I've got my reply here. I can also send reply to these comments. Reply, copy, paste, and something like that. Submit. Comment submitted. And I can also see the result for my comments and replies here. So there is this one, create content. There's nothing here. Thanks for comment. Comment reply by John. This is from me. New comment. Here as you can see, there's my new reply. I can delete them. And also everything are just like other section as I said. And that's it for these previews of post and comment section. And in next video I'm going to show you a quick preview of medias.